Okay, everybody, I've got another 2007 football box break for you, and it's Topps Total. So, 72 rookies per box, 550 base cards featuring 900 players. And this is a hobby box. We got on the top stickers. Okay. 2 rookie cards per pack. And there are 36 packs per box. So, first pack, here's what the packs look like. We got LaDainian Tomlinson on them. Ken Dorsey, Derek Anderson. You know what? I think I'm only going to say the names if they're actually rookies, so it'll help us get through this quicker. Alright, Stuart Bradley, rookie. Lester Ricard, rookie. I guess I will say the parallels, too. D'Angelo Williams, silver parallel. And we also have Brandon Chiller, Will Witherspoon, Pisa Tinoi Samoa, gold, which apparently is also first edition. Okay, so next pack. Odds of getting stuff. Blue parallel 1 and 2, red parallel 1 and 4, silver parallel 1 and 6, gold parallel 1 and 12, and I got sequentially numbered black parallel 1 and 18, first edition parallel 1 and 2, total tops 1 and 8, award winners 1 and 8, total production 1 and 16, and then we got a bunch of autographs, which I have almost no chance of getting. So it looks like this first edition and gold was a double parallel. Okay. I got my piles mixed up. Andre Allison, rookie. Brandon Mabane, rookie. Another silver parallel, Stephen Jackson. Another first edition gold, Frank Gore. Okay, next pack. This pack seems thicker than the others. A blue and a black parallel. Okay, base card. Jared Zabransky, rookie. Steve Smith, rookie. Steve McNair, blue border. Marcel Ship and Troy Walters, black border, numbered 250. Pretty neat. Then we've got, it's a checklist. Okay. And it says 10 cards per pack. Oh, I see. Okay, the first edition aren't gold. First edition is a copper kind of color. The gold is, well, a gold color. So gold, Warren Sapp. Antonio Pittman, Ahmad Bradshaw, rookies. Lorenzo Booker, Earl Everett rookies. Chad Jackson blue parallel. Terrell Owens total tops. And another checklist. Okay. Scott Chandler, Tony Hunt, rookies. Leroy Glover and Victor Adianju, red parallel. Arnez Battle, first edition parallel. Next pack. Oh, you know, I need to check something real quick. Okay. Drew Stanton, Dallas Baker rookies. Terry Glenn blue parallel. Mark Bulger total production insert. And a Giants checklist. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. It says 10 cards per pack, but there's 13 in this one, so. Okay. Jordan Palmer, Aaron Rouse, rookies. Ray Lewis, red parallel. Todd Heap, first edition parallel. So it seems like the rookies are always the 4th and 5th cards in the pack. All right. Finally, Marshawn Lynch, rookie. Brian Leonard, rookie. Anthony Thomas, gold parallel. Terrence McGee, first edition. Victor Abiamiri, Tanard Jackson, rookies. Gold parallel, Josh Gaddis. Oh, sorry, Josh Gaddis, gold parallel rookie, oddly enough. And also Jordan Palmer, first edition parallel rookie. I need more space. Okay. And let me just check really quick and see if any of the other parallels I had were rookies. Oh. Okay. Next pack. LaRon Landry, Stuart Bradley, rookies. Javon Curse, red parallel. Robert Mathis, Anthony McFarland, first edition parallel. Next pack. I think I'm going to have more than 72 rookies in this box, actually. Well, maybe not. Kenny Irons and Ben Patrick, rookies. Okay. Ryan Khalil, red parallel rookie. Troy Polamalu, first edition parallel. Next pack. Ted Ginn Jr., Victor Abiamiri, rookies. Glenn Earl, CeCe Brown, Travis Johnson, red parallel. First edition parallel, Rob Davis, Mark Tauscher, Chad Clifton. Lester, Ricard, Thomas Clayton, rookies. A Topps TV advertisement. Reggie Williams, blue parallel. And a regular checklist. Rufus Alexander, rookie. Patrick Willis, rookie. Damian Hughes, blue rookie parallel. Blue parallel rookie. And Vince Young, team checklist. I'm getting confused here. Leon Hall, rookie. Brandon Jackson, rookie. Darius Walker, blue rookie. Total Topps, Phillip Rivers. And a advertisement card. Let me get that. Hold on. Okay. Calvin Johnson, rookie. All right. Jamarcus Russell, rookie. No, I'm going to hold on to it because I heard he's making a comeback. We'll see. Morton Anderson was still playing in 2007? How is that possible? Morton Anderson, Michael Conan, Alan Rossum, silver parallel. First edition parallel, Corey Webster, Sam Madison, R.W. McCorders. Brandon Mabane, Tim Crowder, rookies. Gary Russell, rookie, red parallel, rookie. First edition parallel, Will Blackman, Nick Barnett, Abdul Hodge. Chris Cool, oh sorry, no I'm not reading that. Brandon Merriweather, Michael Griffin, rookies. Bobby Carpenter, Aaron Glenn, red parallel. Aaron Rouse, first edition parallel, rookie. Okay, so I think either halfway or more than halfway through the box, and no Peterson. Colby Smith, Ray McDonald, rookies. Dante Stallworth, red parallel. John Newton first edition parallel rookie. Darrell Revis. Oh, 3 rookies in this pack. Darrell Revis rookie. Antonio Pittman rookie. Ahmad Bradshaw rookie. Correll Buckhalter blue parallel. Vince Young. Award winner, I guess. Another Topps TV. Colby Smith, Kenneth Darby rookies. Tavares Jackson blue parallel. Roy Williams Lions checklist. Anthony Spencer, Chris Henry rookies. Heath Miller, Jerome Tooman silver parallel. Dwayne Robertson, Kimo von Oelhoffen, Andre Dyson first edition parallel. Excuse me. Oh, printing plates are 1 in 225. Not that I'm gonna get one. Levi Brown, David Irons, rookies. Paul Williams, silver parallel, rookie. First edition parallel, Leonard Pope, Darnell Dockett, Orlando Huff. Okay, we're well past the halfway mark now. Jared Zabransky, Clark Harris, rookies. Roydell Williams, blue parallel. Terrell Owens, award winner. Steve Smith, Jeff Rowe, rookies. Matt Hasselbeck, red parallel. Willis McGahee, first edition parallel. Come on, Peterson. Joe Newton, rookie. Lamar Woodley, rookie. Red parallel. Kevin Schaefer, Hank Fraley, Ryan Tucker. Rudy Johnson, first edition parallel. I wonder if... I thought Drew Bledsoe was in this set, but now I'm not sure. Oh, got a black parallel. Kevin Schaefer, Hank Fraley, Ryan Tucker. Black parallel. Numbered to 50. Levi Brown, David Irons, rookies. Blue parallel. Derek Dockery, Jason Peters, Langston Walker. Jamarcus Russell, Raiders, checklist. Nine packs left. Tony Hunt, Drew Stanton, rookies. Oh, how do you like this? 2 red parallels in 1 pack and a first edition. Brian Waters, Will Shield, Casey Wiegman, red parallel. Darryl Jackson, red parallel. Lofa Tatupu, Leroy Hill, first edition parallel. Justin Harrell, Chauncey Stuckey, rookies. Chris Hope, Lamont Thompson, blue parallel. Brett Favre, Packers, checklist. Tony Hunt and Drew Stanton, and Dallas Baker, rookies. J.P. Lossman, blue parallel. Steven Jackson, total tops. Wow, I didn't realize Willie McGinnis was playing then. Okay. John Beck, Michael Bush, rookies. Chris Leak, blue parallel, rookie. Total production, Eli Manning. Only 5 packs left. Still no Peterson. Okay. Troy Smith. Martrez Milner, rookies. Mark Bulger, silver parallel. Tim Crowder, first edition parallel rookie. Okay, 4 packs. Courtney Taylor, rookie. Troy, I just got Troy Smith. Marcus Stroud, John Henderson, red parallel. First edition parallel, Robert Geithers, Matthew Williams, Landon Johnson. I'd say the odds are not good for me getting this Peterson card. Oh, Dwayne Bowe, rookie. That's at least halfway. No, not for this set, it isn't. Josh Gaddis, rookie. Jarius Norwood, red parallel. Brandon Seiler, first edition rookie. Okay, 2 packs left. Josh Gaddis, Trent Edwards, rookies. Willie McGinnis, silver parallel. Reggie Nelson, first edition parallel rookie. Wow. It's just my luck that I go through the entire box and not get a Peterson card. Tyler Palco, Jarvis Moss, rookies. Luis Castillo, Jamal Williams, Silver Parallel, Jimmy Wilkerson, Ron Edwards, James Reed, First Edition Parallel. So, that's it. I'm going to look through the packs once more just to make sure I didn't miss anything. I mean, look through the cards once more just to make sure I didn't miss anything. But I won't put you through the pain of seeing that. So, I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.